Occasionally we get asked why Diode is a print magazine. We thought it would be useful to demonstrate just how high-tech the printed edition of Diode really is. For starters, you'll notice it has an ultra-high contrast 3D display with ambience adaptation technology that automatically adjusts brightness to reduce eye strain. We've included wireless screen extension firmware so you can code on your computer and use Diode without having to share that desktop space. You can even stack them for seamless expansion across issues. We know that even Samsung had some troubles with their folding smartphone displays, so we've gone for a roll-up display. And we've still retained that ultra-low latency refresh. The integrated flexible bookmarking function allows almost instant recall of your favourite content, while stacking multiple Diode issues enables the built-in auto-indexing function. The solid-state memory ensures data retention for years to come, and every Diode issue comes fully charged, ready to use out of the box. No logins, no registrations, so you can get straight to making. But if you'd like to stay low-tech, you can always get it for your iPad or your computer as well.